Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, I was falling down, almost. The weather is very nice, even though it's snowy. I love it. Green and white at the same time. It looks very good. I just want to tell you that I have found a solution. Please check the video, and if it helps you, please subscribe to my channel. I will appreciate your support. Bye! Thank you guys for watching the video. If the solution was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and you can comment down below as well. It will help me a lot. See you again later. Bye!